Alright, on 48 you have cosecant. So first thing I want to do is, still I need to find all of my other values. I want to turn this into, so if I have that sine of u is equal to 5 over 13, then I still have x, I still have y, I still have r. So r is 13. Sine is y over r, so it's going to be a 5. Now, key point here is that it's in quadrant 2, so that means that my x value is going to be negative. So just do a little Pythag. 13 squared minus 5 squared equals x squared. So 169 minus 25, 144 equals x squared, so 12 is equal to x, but since it has to be negative, it's going to be negative 12. I'm going to do the same thing again for my v. So cosine of v is equal to negative 3 over 5. Same thing, it's negative, so I have x, I have y, and I have r. That means r is 5, x is negative 3. Need to find the same thing as far as 5 squared minus 3 squared equals y squared. 25 minus 9, 16 equals y squared, so y is equal to 4. So once I find all my other values, I want to turn everything into... So cosecant is 1 over sine. So if I go with 1 over sine of u minus v, now I can go to work. So if I go with 1 over sine of u minus v, then I'm going to use my formula that I have for sine and the difference. So if I do that, then I'm going to have sine of u times cosine of v. Sines are the same, so it's minus cosine of u times sine of v. All of this is over 1. So then set it equal. Whenever I go here, I'm going to have 1. So then it just becomes making sure that I have all of my values. So I already have sine of u. So sine of u is 5 over 13. So I'm going to have 5 over 13 times. I need to have then cosine of v, which is going to be the negative 3 over 5, minus. Now, this is where I need to, I probably should have done this before, to be perfectly honest with you, because I need to find what is cosine of u and sine of v. Well, if I go to cosine, remember cosine is x over r, so negative 12 over 13, and then do the same thing for v, so y over r, so 4 over 5. So that's 4 over 5. Plug those in. Excuse me, negative 12 over 13, 4 over 5. So then from here, I have 1 on top. I'm going to have negative 15 over 65 minus a negative 48 over 65. That's really just going to make it a plus. So then I'm looking at 1 over 33 over 65. You can do keep, change, flip. It's really up to you as far as, since I have the fraction, like I can go 1 times 65 over 33. So 65 over 33.